Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Clint from the Dead West set. It was black and white zenithally primed. I get started with lead grey for the base of his suit, since this has that subtle blue tint to it that I want. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I pushed that blue a little bit further with Abyss Blue over all of the raised and flat areas, just leaving that darker tone in the shadows. For all of the leather parts, I went with Doom Death Black as the base colour. Since these are only small parts, there's no real need to add a lot of depth to them. To get the white shirt started, I added a once over with rock grey. Getting all of his exposed skin done, I went for sunny skin tone. Adding a highlight to his shirt and dotted in the eyes, I went with silver grey. I couldn't just leave the black as black, so I grabbed dark sea green and added a bit of a highlight, bringing up some of those raised parts and just adding a bit of variation. The base, as with all my current Zombicide minis, gets a once over with Plague Brown. For his hair, I went for Scorched Earth. You can use the black earlier to do this, but I want that brown shade instead. Getting all of the metal parts done, I used plate armor for these. Moving on to the washes, I used Archaic Sepia wash over his skin and the sword hilt. Now for the black parts and metal, I went for dark tone wash. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Clint. The blue might be a little bit too bright compared to the artwork, but I felt if I added a wash, it would probably darken it too much and I'd have to come back and brighten it back up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord from the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.